I first met Mike when he was injured on the job. He was working and sustained an injury while he was working, and he had a lot of questions, a lot of concerns. He'd never been in that situation really before.
The workman's comp case, I was driving on I-75, got off I-75 and started heading westbound on US 54 and got rear-ended by a tractor trailer.
So when Mike was injured, he had been pretty healthy for most of his life, but then all of a sudden he had this major injury, and he was being told by multiple surgeons that he was going to have a very, very invasive surgery, a surgery that frankly a lot of surgeons are scared to do. It was a surgery that was incredibly expensive and with no guarantee that it was even going to work.
I felt defeated in a sense because I guess the way the insurance company had it, they basically retract your employment. So then you feel like, okay, well, I have nothing now.
Insurance companies do want to settle cases, and sometimes they will try to take advantage of unrepresented people and make them an offer very early on in their case. It's a low offer, and it's certainly not what the case is worth, but they hope that if they wave some money at you, that someone will take it, and they will avoid paying what the case is truly worth.
And, you go to mediation with the idea of, a number you might have in your head. But with the insurance companies, with the way they work, everything is done on a scale. So it's completely threw me off and, made me feel like I was kind of upside down.
Settlement is obviously the ultimate goal in a personal injury case. But what you don't want to do is you don't want to settle the case for less than it's worth. And the things that should not be considered when you're settling your case is how many other cases that lawyer needs to settle that month in order to make their quota. Your case should be valued based on its own individual merits, and it should be considered by an attorney who's truly going to fight to get you the value that you deserve.
Carlson, Meisner, Hart, and Hazlett, protecting your rights since 1971.